Hello Excelers and welcome. Thanks for joining me today for another How to Excel at Excel.com Excel tip video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to get notified when there's a new Excel tip available here on my YouTube channel. And if you want to sign up for the How to Excel at Excel newsletter, which gives you 3 free Excel tips every month direct to your inbox, there's a link below in the description box there. And when you sign up, you'll get my free ebook, which has got my top 30 Excel tips. Okay, let's get started on today's Excel tip.
Hi Excelers, welcome back to another How to Excel at Excel.com video. Today I'm going to show you a new feature that is available in Excel Office 365, and it was made available from April 2020. And it is the Quick Statistics feature. So yes, we can now get some quick statistics about our workbook and worksheet from the Review tab in Excel. So if we click on Review, and in the proofing group, we've now got Workbook Statistics. If you click on that, you can see at a workbook level and also on the current sheet, various information about your workbook. You can see within the workbook how many sheets you have, cells with data, tables, pivot tables and formulas. And you can see in this workbook I've got 4 pivot tables, I have 1 formula, a total of 544 cells with data. Now at the current worksheet level, I've got 1 cell with data, which is B2, which is the title that I have written in. And the end of the worksheet is B2 as well. So that's the last active cell. That's the last active cell on the worksheet. If I go and write something in here, if we then go to our workbook statistics again, you can see that the end of the worksheet is now changed to C14. So this is the last cell on our worksheet that has anything in it. So this is a really useful new feature with Excel, with Office 365. What details are available at the worksheet level and the workbook level. Now, if you're somebody who likes Excel shortcuts, there is a shortcut to bring up the workbook statistics. It's Control, Shift and G, and that will bring you back to your statistics window as well. So you can either go to the Review tab and Workbook Statistics, or hit Control, Shift and G to do the same thing. So that's it. Really short video today on the new feature of Quick Statistics that's now available with Office 365. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again next time for another How to Excel at Excel.com video.